To fix this error, that's what you need to do. First of all, completely close Epic Games. From your task manager as well, it should be no tasks left related to Epic Games, right? And all the tasks. Then what you need to do here is to press Windows and I key or simply write run on search. Then you need to write on this box %local app data %. Then on this window here, right click on the blank space and then select sort by and then select name. Then what you need to do here is to click on one of the tasks here and press E until you see Epic Games folders. So it could be Epic Games Launcher. Sometimes Epic Games Online Service UI Helper do not appear. So what you need to do here is to delete all the folders that is related to Epic Games here, right? Then what you need to do here is to simply restart your computer and then relaunch Epic Games. So as you can see here, guys, the Epic Games is working, but you just need to re-log into your Epic Games account and you will be good. So that's pretty much it.